Hello, I am Jonathan, and this is my Holdframe workshop. Every freelancer knows how difficult it can be to get your work noticed. It can even be more difficult to change someone's perception of the work you create. Back in 2018, I was determined to change the way people viewed my work and in turn, the creative opportunities I was receiving. The result is my short film, How to Make Sushi, a personal project centered around my love for all things 3D design, character animation, and of course, Japanese manga and anime. In this workshop, we'll discuss my initial exploration for this idea, early mood boards and motion tests, the modeling techniques, lighting, and texturing methods I used to create the final look, why I chose to animate certain objects and how I locked in those movements, and finally, how I brought everything together in the final comp. I hope you enjoy!
Sushi の作り方。ステップ1、食材集め。ステップ2、道具の準備。ステップ3、シャリの配置。ステップ4、具の配置。ステップ5、巻く。ステップ6、人生をかけて修行。勉強。血。汗。涙。一流の職人になるため。そしてステップ7、仕上げ。